Assalamualaikum. In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you that how you can assign value, how you can declare the variable, and how you can assign the value to the variable, and how you can print that variable. Uh, I'm going to open my text editor by clicking on this rectangular file and clicking on the source file. The first line in declaration and initialization and initialization of variables. The first line that I'm going to write for my program, this first line is actually a single line comment, and it is non-executable statement. It is just for the information of the programmer that what we are going to do in our program. The first line of the program is hash include iostream using namespace std. It is a namespace additional information with the standard library file iostream. Then the line is main. Now this is the area, this area that is the body of main. Here we write all the coding of the program. The first thing when you have started your writing code, the first thing is the variable declaration, that you are going to declare what type of variable. And for variable declaration, we use the data type and then the name of the variable. Only those variables that we have declared in our program we can use in our program. The variables that are not declared in the program we cannot use, and our compiler will display an error message. And one thing more about the variable declaration, that you can declare it at any point. It is not necessary that you declare the variable at the beginning of the program, but it is necessary that before using those variables it must be declared. Now I'm going to write a small code for the variable declaration. Let's suppose I'm taking an integer type variable. Integer is the type of is a data type that can store 4 bytes in the memory, and it is we can store here a whole number. Int, my variable name is num. You can use any type of variable name, but it is good in programming that you use those variable names that is related with the data you are going to take. As I'm going to take the number I'm going to store number in my variable, so I'm using here num. This line is called variable declaration. This is variable declaration, where I have not assigned any value to the variable. Now, what is variable initialization? I am giving this variable an initial value, num is equal to 5. Or you can also write num1 int num1 is equal to 5. This is called variable initialization. Means you are giving the first value to your variable. This is called variable initialization. Okay, now I'm going to print the value that is stored in your variable num1, or that is stored in your variable num. Right now there is no value stored in num, so we can store value in num as num is equal to 4. For printing this in C++, for printing we use cout statement, and after that we use this less than sign, this is actually called the insertion point. These are two less than point is known as insertion point. Okay, now whatever we will write within the brackets, the value stored in num is equal to my this quotation marks closed, again this insertion point. Now without quotation marks, whatever I will write as a variable, it will store the it will print the value inside this variable. Now here it will print the value inside the num, and in num we have stored the value that is 4. Okay, and this statement terminated. Now I can again copy the value for the num1, control C. You can copy the statements and you can paste those. The value stored in num1 is, and we are taking the value from this num1 variable, and we can use \n for a new line. Now just save the file. It is declaration, and save it in your folder, current folder. Check the folder that if you are doing the programs of chapter number 3, save it in chapter number 3. Give a proper name to your file so that you can get them easily. Like if you see this untitled, you will not get what the program is about. Okay, but when you will read these names, you can get that what you are going to store in these what the programs these file contains. Now say save type as C++ source file. This is by default selection. Just save it. Now click on execute. You can compile separately or you can compile and run. By clicking on F11 you can also compile. Now the value stored in num is 4. As you can see that I have stored the value 4 here, and it will print the value 4. The value stored in num1 is equal to 5. This is how you can declare the variable and then you can print the value in the variable. Thank you.